What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So how do we exactly do so? Well, first things first is we need to get the address that we want to transfer our funds or our crypto or our Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So in this case, go and open up Tonkeeper first. Now in here, go and choose the receive option that you see here at the very center. Now it should show you your address. So in this case, just click on the copy option to copy your address, and once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to access Bitget. Now, by the way, if you access this one, it's going to say send only Toncoin and tokens in Ton network. So just to give you some idea here, Tonkeeper is using the Ton network. So when you receive or send Ton or any other cryptocurrency in here, you need to use the Ton network. So this one is really important. So if you're not using the Ton network here, this may result in you losing your crypto. So what we need to do next is we want to go and open up Bitget, and from here you want to go ahead and go to your assets at the bottom right, click on spot wallet, and from here you want to go ahead and choose the option that says withdraw. So since we want to move our crypto from our Bitget account to Tonkeeper, just go and click on withdraw. Now from here, it's going to ask you whichever crypto that you want to move. So for example, I want to say Ton. Let's go and choose Toncoin. Now from here, let's go and click on on-chain withdrawal. Now, what we need to do next is we just need to provide all the necessary details here. So that includes the withdrawal address that we just copied. So in this case, you could go ahead and basically paste the address. Now, by the way, the Ton network should be automatically selected here, but if not, you need to make sure that you're using the Ton network. Now, in this case, you could go ahead, add your tag or memo, the amount that you want to withdraw, and from then on, click on withdraw here and confirm the withdrawal process. Now, just follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing next here. Confirm if a verification is required, but in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.